Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this Chic Noir filter on TikTok. So this is the filter, perfect for a cinematic look. Okay, to get this effect on TikTok, what you have to do, just go to the effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section, what you can do, tap on the search button and here search for Chic Noir. Okay, the first one with 65.8 million views. This is the effect. Tap on it. Okay, you got the filter. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, go to your For You page and search for Chic Noir filter. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. From there you can use the effect or you can tap on
Tak jsem zase na mě.
Okay, on the bottom left corner of the video, you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Tap there. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here, you can add it to your favorites. And at the bottom of the screen, just tap on use this effect. And you can use this effect. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the For You page also. What you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.